how to make money on Temu. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing ways on how you can start earning money in Temu. And in Temu, there are different programs that you could use and utilize to be able to start earning without being a direct seller in Temu. And the following programs are called the Temu Affiliate Program. I know you're familiar with affiliate program. If you're not familiar with this, I will be talking about more about it later on. And there's also the Temu Influencer Program. Now let's start and explain how the affiliate program works. In affiliate program, you basically promote a specific product or a specific store in Temu, and whenever that specific store gets some sales, you will be able to start earning money through commissions. For example, you have a product over here. Let's look for a specific product that we will give an example of. For example, this one, the mini printer. It's going to cost $21 or $22 per item, so per product. So when someone buys this product through a link or through you, as you promote the product, you will be able to receive 20% off the $20, and you can simply build that up over and over, and you will be able to start earning money through Temu. And affiliate program is available to almost every platform out there, e-commerce platform, but I think in the affiliate program in Temu, you have a lot of benefits as well. And we'll explore this later on, and let's just go check out the Temu Influencer Program. For the Temu Influencer Program, this is for people who already have a following or an audience built up before they even talked about or before they even found out about Temu. And you can become a Temu influencer and start talking about Temu, start talking about the products, and basically be a specific channel or a specific niche that is focused on the Temu and the store and the different products, and promoting it through your specific channel or whatever platform you are an influencer of. And then you will be able to have some benefits as well that would help you promote the Temu products even more. So let's go back to the Temu affiliate program over here, and let's explore the different options or the different benefits of their affiliate program. Over here, as you can see, you could already see you will be able to earn up to $150,000 per month if you are super successful and a lot of people are buying through your affiliate link. You will be able to sign up to earn over here when you click this option over here. And as you can see here also, these are the different benefits. I explain it over here. Why do you want to join the Temu affiliate program? First of all, if they download the Temu application or the Temu app directly to their phone through your affiliate link or through you, you will be able to receive a $5 download reward. That is for everyone who downloads the application through you, and you will be able to receive up to 20% commission like we talked about earlier, depending on the price of the product that you were able to sell. Of course, if the product is cheap, as you can see here, for example, this product over here, it is for $2 or $3. If you round it up, you will be able to only get 20% of that, which is small. But if you manage to sell something big, like a big and expensive product, of course, you will be able to earn a bigger amount because of the percentage. And depending on how you promote this, it is completely up to you. The style of how you do the affiliate program is completely depending on your strategy. Also, there is no requirement. Anyone can join. You don't need to be eligible for anything like in TikTok, wherein you have to have some eligibility before you can access the affiliate program or the TikTok shop, stuff like that. And it's easy to earn, and it is trusted. Temu is a trusted store and a trusted brand, so you don't have to worry about wasting your time with Temu and its affiliate program. As you can see here, this is how it works. You're simply going to sign up for the Temu affiliate program. You're going to share a link or a code to invite people, and you could receive commission. And like I said earlier, through your code or through your link, you will be able to earn $5 or up to 20% commission, depending on how it works. And as you can see, there's already a lot of people using this Temu as an affiliate platform, and there is over 300,000 people who have joined the Temu affiliate. And you simply start earning or sign up over here when you click on sign up to earn, and you will be able to start your journey as an affiliate. But right now, this is not available in my region, but hopefully for your region, wherever you are, Hopefully it is available, but for me, unfortunately, it is not available. But that is how you could use the affiliate. Now, depending on your technique or depending on your strategy, you will be able to utilize affiliate program effectively. You could promote it to other platform. You could use YouTube. You could use Facebook. You use Facebook Shorts. You could even use Instagram Shorts or even TikTok. What you're simply going to do to be able to effectively utilize this platform or this affiliate marketing program of Temu is to promote a product, like buy a product itself and then give a review, use it yourself, show out your experience with it so that you people or your audience would know that it would be a good product to invest in. And if ever they do get attracted and wanted to buy the product, you will be able to earn the commission from selling that specific product. Now, let's talk about this other program that Temu has, and this is the Temu Influencer. Like I said earlier, if you already have a background, if you already have an audience, it's going to be an easy collaboration with Temu because you already are an experienced influencer and you can easily convert or become a Temu influencer. Now, you don't need to replace or change your entire channel or your entire persona to become a Temu influencer. I think what you can do here is you can create your another account. You can create another channel. For example, in YouTube, you have your main channel and then a Temu channel, for example, for vlogs, and then you promote the Temu products directly in the channel. And people will know it's you because you already have your background or your built-up audience. And as you can see here, you will be able to receive up to $300 of free products, and you will be able to earn affiliate cash as well whenever you successfully sell the product that you are trying to sell in Temu. And this $300 free product is very useful because you will be able to receive products absolutely for free, and then you can promote them and you will be able to start earning cash whenever you sell that specific product. Now, this is similar to affiliate marketing, but it is upgraded version. For the affiliate marketing, you don't need an audience. You don't need to start with a famous background or like have a channel already. You could start from scratch with the affiliate program, but this one is like an upgraded version of the program where you could earn or have a free products and then earn affiliate cash as well. This is the benefits for the Temu influencer. You have free products up to $300. You have exclusive coupons, 50% coupons for your followers, and you have your balance. You have to up to have $100 balance benefit for each campaign and extra bonus for high quality content. And you could get the same commission or affiliate cash that we saw earlier, which is 20% and $5 per new app download and login. And as you can see here, this is how it works. You simply join the campaign, post and share, earn balance. That is how you will be able to use or utilize this influencer collaboration. The way you post and share it is completely up to you, and it is completely up to your strategy. And as you can see here, more than 10,000 influencers have already collaborated with Temu, and this is like their different accounts. So you simply check them out if ever you would like to check them out as well. And if you want to ask more questions about this, there is some frequently asked questions over here, like what is a Temu influencer? You are a content creator who provides recommendations and reviews of Temu products, as you can see here. And you could easily join this program by simply scanning the QR code below and following the steps to log in to authorize your account. As you can see, this is their code over here. You simply follow them and you will be able to join the influencer program of Temu. And those are the main ways or the two ways to be able to earn money and Temu. And now let's do a quick recap. You have the influencer program and the affiliate program where you could both earn money. The difference between the affiliate and influencer is that in the influencer, you would need to have an audience and have already an account that is dedicated to be for Temu. And for the affiliate program, you can simply have any account that you want and promote it however you want, depending on your strategy. The influencer has more benefits, but the affiliate program is still highly beneficial because you will be able to start earning right away if someone downloads the app through your link. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.